Well, how's it going, guys? So we're out here going to get ready to pick up a compressor. We put our deck extension in. Gonna be running this on a 9-axle, well, maybe a 10, who knows. It depends on how much it weighs up on the front. It's 100,000 pounds, which should be about 150 or 170,000. So we'll definitely need the booster. It's the unit we're picking up is 47 foot long. With the deck extension in, we're 40 foot long. So we'll be picking that up in the morning. All right, let's get after it. All right, so we had to make a pit stop over here in Sterling, Colorado. Left home, got my 3/4 inch drive extension to get the bolts out of the extension, or the deck extension, for that thing there. So had to go buy a whole freaking kit just for one extension. But got something else I needed, and I also got something I needed forever, which is a charger for my grease gun. Those brake chargers, they last forever. Like, I had it for 2 years, never needed to charge it, and this greased a lot. It greases this trailer here twice a week, and that's about 2 tubes of grease. And so never needed it, and till now it's dead, so I gotta get it. So cool. Alrighty guys, gotta get some double. Some drinks and shit. Ready to go. Oh yeah. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're up and at 'em. Not too bright this morning. The E-log wouldn't let me start rolling until 8 o'clock, so we're up and at 'em this morning. Heading over here to finish this load out. I'm about 2 hours away from loading, but I can't load till 10 o'clock anyway, so that's a good thing. So we're gonna run over here, get loaded, and then start heading north for old North Dakota. We'll see if we can video it, and I'm hoping we can. I'm pretty sure we can, so we should be alright with that. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just cruising down the road. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't been able to show this, but I got loaded. I got loaded the other day. And I lost my little mount up on the mirror where I usually magnetize my phone to make to do the videos of the turns and shit. We're loaded. It's a 100,000 pound compressor. We're running it on 10. Just because I got a whole hell of a lot of weight up here on the front. Because since we're trying out that deck section, I want to at least try it out before I break it in half. So we're loaded. We're up here in North Dakota now. And we just got up this morning. I can't unload till Friday, so there's no hurry to get up or to get up there and get unloaded. So I'm going to take it up, drop her off, drop the trailer and the truck off, or drop the trailer and the load off at location. Then I'm going to go into Williston and hang out and unload this on Friday. She's riding pretty good. I don't know why. It kind of seems like it's leaning a little bit to the left. I don't know why, but they do that after they settle in. Sometimes they just go to one side or the other. Got it 8 chains on her. So that's 80,000 pounds of securement. There we go. That was a hard word to say. And 80,000 pounds of securement on a 100,000 pound load. So I think we're all right there. But yeah, we got her. We're good. Well, that'll work, but it's not exactly what I want. It'll work just to hold the phone up there while I'm going slow, but if I try to do anything going down the road, it's going to fall right off, because the other piece I have up there is about as long as the phone, and the phone can completely magnetize up to it, and it'll hold it in there. But I'm using it as a deck section, or as a shim in my deck section. So this will work just to show some turns getting out of here and on the road and stuff, and then when I got time and somewhere I could be at to figure something out, I'll get to do something better. But this will have to work. Oh well. Guys, so welcome to, what's it, Friday the 2nd or something. So anyway, I'm unloaded, I'm all stacked up. I couldn't get a video of it because I was on location, and they don't like those types. They don't like people videoing OSHA shit and all of it. So completely stacked up. I still got the deck section in. Heading back to Rock Springs to change the tire and get some stuff ready to go. But that will be the end of this video, so y'all have a nice day. If you like the kind of content, I'm going to try to push out more of it and do a little bit better of a job. Hopefully get some mounts, get some cameras and shit on the truck, so then that way I could do better videos. Please like and subscribe if you like it. I appreciate it. Thank you much.